Tripp Lite's AVR series interactive UPS offers complete power protection for desktop PCs, network workstations, and a wide variety of professional and consumer electronic devices. It features a 98% line mode efficiency rating, meaning that it uses less energy and emits fewer BTU emissions than similar products. It also allows for hot swapping user battery replacement. In the event of power loss, this UPS will switch to battery backup mode within milliseconds to keep your equipment running without interruption or data loss. The automatic voltage regulation power conditioning maintains smooth, continuous operation of connected equipment during brownouts and overvoltage events. Also included are an equal number of surge-only outlets, which are designed to protect non-essential devices from power surges that are not required for system-critical operation, such as a printer. An integrated USB port supports built-in power management and auto shutdown features in Windows and Mac OS. It also supports full-featured monitoring and data-saving auto shutdown options using Tripp Lite's free Power Alert monitoring software. Visit galco.com today to view our full selection of Tripp Lite uninterruptible power supplies and more.